Memang baru saja terjadi pemirsa gempa di selatan Pulau Jawa sebesar 6,9 skala Richter, dan gempa tersebut ini berpotensi tsunami sehingga sejumlah warga yang khususnya tinggal di selatan Pulau Jawa ini harus menempuh jalur evakuasi untuk mengungsi terlebih dahulu. Gempa ini juga terasa di sekitar Jawa Barat dan juga sampai di Jakarta, terutama bagi warga yang tinggal di bangunan-bangunan tinggi.
Okay, it's day 5. It's time to say goodbye to the villa. And we had a visit from the owner of this villa. I think she is the granddaughter of the previous owner. And she came down to just check to see everything is okay. And so far we've been quite happy with the service, with everything. With the rooms and all that. I mean, it used to be a home. Bedrooms are huge, it's so spacious, they provide breakfast. So we are now off we check out from Villa and we are now off to Ibis Trans Studio, where we will be staying for 2 nights. And before we call this trip a wrap.
Hey, you're taking video of me?
We are here already at Ibis Trans Studio waiting to check in, and the room is not ready. So we have about an hour to just walk around. We're next to Trans Studio Mall, so we'll probably walk around and look for lunch or something before coming back here at 2 and going inside our rooms. Fauzi's favorite place to shop for t-shirts is this brand of t-shirt for Azura, which is, I think, is a local brand in Bandung, and every year we will come here and every year he will buy t-shirts from this guy. Apparently he bumped into the sort of the founder of this company yesterday at Chiwok. Today we are at their Trans Studio booth, looking for t-shirts that he can't get yesterday. So he's trying his luck to see whether he can get the designs that he wants today. Okay, so this is the Ibis Bandung Trans Studio. which I have always come back to this hotel every year since the year I got married to Fauzi, where we spend our honeymoon in Indonesia. Every time we go Bandung, we will stay in this hotel, and that's because it's just right next to the Trans Studio Mall. So it's sort of like easy for us to just hop over to do shopping, to eat, and you know, chill and relax. Yesterday we are at Chibok and there's a dance competition. I think this time around it's a singing competition. Many things happening over the weekend. Oops, sorry. Cinema in Trans Studio, and we're deciding what to watch. What do you want to watch? Coco. But I think we all want to watch Star Wars The Last Jedi. I think Coco can watch tomorrow also, because we'll be here for 2 nights. So maybe tonight we watch Star Wars The Last Jedi, and then tomorrow we watch Coco. So I'm gonna take like the last movie of the day. Then after that, we're gonna call it a night and we're gonna go back to our hotel and sleep. Tomorrow, we're going to Farmhouse Lembang, so that will be another out of city activity before coming back. And then, if we watch Star Wars The Last Jedi tonight, then tomorrow we'll probably watch Coco, but I'm not sure. We'll see how much energy is left.
There was an earthquake. We were inside the movie theater and we felt the building shake. So right now we're trying to get to the hotel and try to make sure that everyone is okay. We are on the opposite side of the hotel. Alhamdulillah, like all my families are here. Alhamdulillah, managed to evacuate and meet them lah. So it was macam Alhamdulillah lah, like kita kat sini. Cuma right now we are on the opposite side of the hotel. We are like just trying to wait. We're just waiting for things to be like sort of calm down and clear before. My nephews are scared. All of us are really scared. I think I'm like a bit shaken. Also, like I feel like it hasn't really hit me yet on how scary that experience was. But Alhamdulillah, all my family is here and like, yeah.
Nah,